Hello everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor Department of Computer Science from DrSNSRCAS. In the last series, we have seen the common object request broker architecture and what are the model and the purpose of CARBA. In this series, we are going to see the object interface of freelance services. There is a two services used as a freelance. That is a naming service and trading service. Naming service is additionally known as a white page service, where the service can be searched and the location address can be pointed out. Whereas the trading service is a commercial service, which is also known as a yellow page. It is used as a selected service and often corresponding to the looking out service like automobile store in a yellow page directory. Next one is a broken pattern that is helpful for the customer and used to design the following principles. The first one is divide and conquer, which remote objects can be independently designed. Increase reusability. It is possible to design the remote object to other system that can be used to increase reuse, which you can able to reuse remote objects that others have created. Designed for flexibility. The broker object can be updated as required, or you can redirect a proxy to communicate with a different remote object. The next one is design for portability. You can write clients with a new platform where a remote object can be accessed through brokers with the other platforms. The next one is design defensively. You can provide a careful and checking assertion for checking in a remote objects. The next topic we are going to see CARBA ideal clients. CARBA ideal also represents a interface definition language. It is a platform neutral used to generate number of classes such as stubs and skeletons that a client and server use to obtain a reference to remote objects, which can be used with the help of ideal compiler. It is used to reference remote objects, forward requests and marshal incoming calls. The ideal clients can strongly recommend the begin programming with a Java remote interface, which can implement class that generate ideal, which can be allow an interoperability with WebLogic and CARBA clients, which is also illustrated in the following codes and sessions. It is writing code in ideal can be reverse mapped in order to create a Java code. It is difficult and a bug-filled enterprise, and an Oracle does not recommend it. Here is a diagrammatic representation of a CARBA ideal. Here a client system passes the information to stub, which stores the information of a client, and passes to a ORB object request broker, which also passes the request to Java RMI web server logic server. It is used for it is run by the Java RMI and stores the information in RMI object. It also compiled the information compiled through RMI compiler, then passed over to ideal, and the ideal passes the information to the responses to the ideal compiler. Through ideal compiler, the information that request from client gets the response from a server and processed, and again process followed over a stub, then The following um, information is finally given to the client. These are the process used in client server ideal through IIOP network. Let's see the following. What are the Carbon interface definition language um, used for in the next series? Thank you.